So I gotta tell you, when you first started talking about it, I was like, this is rainbows and unicorns. Believe me when I say, I'm a hard sell, but I feel energized after doing this. So I'm in.
Me and Randy were having a conversation at lunch, and I started telling him about the Wim Hof Method. And as I understand, you want to give it a try today,
I want to give
right?
it a try.
And guys, this stuff is amazing. This guy's used this method. It helps combat anxiety, depression, low energy. I do it multiple times every day, and whenever you do it, it's going to lift your mood and make you so much more awake, aware, and just shift you from like a low energy place to a high energy place. And this stuff is backed by scientific studies. They've done studies on this method that this actually works. It's not hocus pocus. They've done double-blind, placebo-controlled trials. So we're going to do a quick couple rounds of the Wim Hof Method with
I like
Randy.
it. I'm excited.
And see how he likes it. So, okay. So the important thing is you're going to do 30 inhales, right? So I'll show you how to do the inhale first.
Okay.
So you're going to go all the way in and then out, but not all the way out. So like that, right?
Deep ones.
Deep ones.
Okay,
You got to do real deep.
Okay.
And this is, it's not going to be uncomfortable that you're going to pass out or feel like passing out.
I'm out of shape.
But yes, and it's always important too to remember, don't ever do this when you're driving. Don't do this in a place where you can hurt yourself, because some people can feel lightheaded. Notice we're on the sand at the beach. If I have to, I can catch Randy and rescue him in my arms, you know, if I got to. But don't do this when you're driving. Don't do this, you know, without supervision. So we're going to do 30 deep inhales, right?
Okay.
Once we hit the 30th inhale, you're going to take one more big inhale. Exhale, not all the way though.
Okay.
And then you hold your breath
Okay.
as long as you can. Not so much that you feel like you're about to pass out, but as long as you can. Once it starts to feel a little uncomfortable, I wait about 10 seconds during the uncomfortable part, and then you exhale. And then you take the biggest inhale of your life on the exhale. You hold it another 15 seconds. That's the most magic part. That's where you will really feel it, and it's almost like a meditative state you're in. Then you exhale and you do it again, and we're going to do 3 rounds of this.
Wow.
Okay?
Okay.
So normally I do 5. We're going to do 3 rounds so you can get the full effect
So
of it.
30 big inhales, or 30 big exhales, and then you're not going to exhale all the way. Then you're going to bring it in, hold it for 10 seconds.
Hold it as long as you can. And then exhale.
Everything.
Everything, right?
Okay.
So after you've held your breath as long as you can, then another big inhale, hold it for 15 seconds, and you repeat the process.
Okay.
So I'll be saying out loud what we're doing, so that way you know exactly where we're at with everything.
Perfect.
So I'll go
Let's
with
do
you.
it.
All right, we're gonna start 30 deep inhales and go. Big inhale, huge inhale. And hold for 15 seconds. Right now is usually when you really start to feel it. You feel really good. I just try and stay calm and relaxed, and it's a very relaxing, calming feeling. Once the 15 seconds are out, you're gonna exhale, and we're gonna start again with 30 breaths. There's 3 rounds of the Wim Hof Method. Did you feel it?
Yeah.
Did you feel it?
Yeah. Like I feel like I've just done a workout.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Like a pump, right?
Yep. That's the whole point of it. Is it's some heavy breathing. It's supposed to stress your body. What it's doing is teaching your body how to produce adrenaline. So with this breathing technique, you're learning a way to take yourself from like a depressed, tired, anxious state, elevate yourself to an awake,
pump that
alert
adrenaline.
state. Yeah, it literally makes adrenaline start pumping through your body, and you're ready to go, and you're feeling good. So this is, I hope you guys enjoyed it.
5, like doing that 5 times, right?
5 times all the way through makes you feel fantastic.
Yeah.
It
No,
really does.
I literally, I feel energized, and you know, let's go run a marathon.
Let's go do a marathon. See you guys. Guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. Like the video, leave a comment. You'll be entered for a chance to win a free recovery t-shirt right here on YouTube. And if you want to see more content like this, leave a comment down below. Let me know, how did this method work for you? Did you feel it? Have you tried it? How's it changed your life? We'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.
That's it.